Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sirisha, Head of the Department Mechanical Engineering at SRM University, Andhra Pradesh. To all aspiring engineers and innovators, I warmly welcome you to explore the Department of Mechanical Engineering at SRM University, Andhra Pradesh. Our department offers BTech, MTech and PhD programs with strong academic research and industry exposure. The curriculum is thoroughly designed to address rapid technological advancements across the world with a strong emphasis on innovation, modern engineering tools, research, and industrial-oriented learning. One of the key strengths of the department is its eminent faculty from IITs and IISc and reputed foreign institutions with expertise in diverse areas like solid mechanics, design engineering, thermofluids, materials, manufacturing engineering and robotics and automation. The department provides a vibrant multidisciplinary environment for learning, innovation and research. We invite you to be part of our learning environment that encourages curiosity, practical knowledge, research and continuous growth towards a successful engineering career. Thank you.